Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today we're in a little bit of a different type of setup. Your girl's gonna be doing a skincare routine, and I'm excited because listen, my skin has gotten so much better. Because if y'all have been watching my videos like back in January, December, like hormonal acne had me all the way messed up. Like my skin was looking crazy. So I finally kind of gotten the hang of it. I wanted to show you guys what I normally do, and also I wanted to show you guys this new product that I'm gonna be trying out. It's by the brand called Duvolle. I've worked with them before in the past. Today, I'm going to be showcasing their Radiance skincare system. So yes, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. Make sure you like the video if you haven't yet liked it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down below. So now let's go ahead and get started. So first things first with this is, let me go ahead and open it. I'm excited to try this out, to be quite honest. I really like using like devices to clean the skin because they give like a better clean than like your hands can. Now it does come with 4 brush heads. So you do get the, it's called the pumice stone. You get a pumice stone here. You get a body brush. So if you want to do like a pamper routine, you could do that. And then you get 2 brushes down here. One of them is an exfoliating brush head, and the other one is a cleansing or facial brush head. So the main one that I will be using will be my the cleansing one. Go ahead and whip this one out. Okay, so these 2 brushes down here, the softer brush is going to be your cleansing brush, while this is going to be the exfoliating. So for today, I'm going to be using this brush head. But so before we even get started, before I touch my face, before I do anything, I always wash my hands. It's like just good practice. Like, I don't care, like if I'm going to be touching my face, because the face is just so much more sensitive than like the rest of your, well, at least me, like than the rest of my body. Like, so I make sure that I'm touching my face with clean hands. So I'm gonna wash my hands, and it's good to be washing your hands. If you ever got coronavirus going on, you need to be cleaning your hands, okay? And if you can see like my lace lifted up, this is really good out face down, so don't judge. All right. So my hands are washed, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach this brush head. All right, you guys, so we're gonna do this voiceover style. Fun fact, I actually hate doing voiceovers, but this video was just, it was just easier to do it this way. But anyways, so to wash my face, I'm going to be using the Ole Henriksen, their Truth Juice Cleanser, which I love. It does have vitamin C in there, which helps with brightening. And as you guys know, I was struggling with acne scars, so I definitely use anything that helps with brightening. But yeah, I'm just going in with the device to wash my face. You wanna make sure that you take your time with this, giving yourself at least 30 to 60 seconds in each area. Obviously, this video is sped up, but in normal time you would do that. And it really was gentle on the skin, and I really did like it. Yeah, you just want to wash that, and then now I'm rinsing my face off with water. And I like to use paper towel to dry my face. I don't like to use face towels. They just kind of gross me out because you're having to reuse it. I like to just use disposable, towel my face down, throw it away. And yeah, as you guys can see, I got my whole freaking nightgown wet, like, you know, but yeah. And now I'm gonna be using the Stridex, their maximum strength pads. This right here, if you are battling with hormonal acne or just pimples, as I'm showing you guys, it literally helps like crazy. Like, I started using this in January, and that is where all this hormonal acne really calmed down. I'm telling you guys, try it out. I get it from Walmart. It's only like $3 and some change. It really, really helped me, but you want to make sure you moisturize like crazy because it will dry you out. Okay, now I use 2 different serums. I use one of these in the evening and one of them in the morning. For today, I will be using the Drunk Elephant, their glycolic night serum, and I just pat this in, and then when it's like morning, I would go ahead and use the other one that I showed, but because I was doing this at night, I use that. And then I'm going to use my Glam Glow eye cream to just moisturize underneath the eyes. I just pat that in because I was told to pat it in and not rub, so I do what the skincare gurus say. And then for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Milk, their vegan milk moisturizer. I love this stuff. Like, as you guys can see, it's like dang near empty. It's very thick, like it's thick, but it's very moisturizing and hydrating. All right, and then for sunscreen, I'm gonna be using the Super Goop Their Play sunscreen. Sunscreen is vital. I use it day and night. I use it at all times. Like, sunscreen is vital. Please, just because you are black does not mean you do not have to use sunscreen. Please use it. And then to moisturize my lips, I'm gonna be using the Dior Lip Glow Oil. I love this stuff. I'm actually out of it. This video was recorded like 3 weeks ago, so it's like long gone. But yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, that pimple on the side of my lip is like freaking astronomical. Like, it's huge. What the heck? But yeah, that is the end of this video. As you guys can see, like, look at how, like, look at my freaking cheeks. Like, you guys go back and watch my Juvia's Place video. It was crazy. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye.